bearish again. And exactly like I said, happened, man. We're on USD CHF and we're in the same exact spot. We are floating about 7.55 right now. It's Wednesday, August 6th, 6:43 in the morning. And as you can see, price did exactly what I said. So I said I can see us pushing down and potentially breaking this 4-hour EMA. When we break the EMA, I see price just melting to the downside. That's my overall thoughts. But before we do that, I did see a gap that I could see filled, and the gap got filled. The two candles that I have highlighted is the two candles that created the gap, the top bearish candle and the bottom bullish candle, which created that gap on the inside. Now, when I noticed this gap, which is that box that I have highlighted right there, I then said, okay, boom, we fill that in. I can see price pushing from here, ideally in New York session, and coincidentally, we are approaching New York session. Like I said, in like an hour and a half, not an hour and a half, about 2.5 hours, we'll be in New York session. Now, all we got to do is allow price to continue to cook up, continue to do what it wants to do, but temporarily, the lower time frames have shifted bullish. Now, in order for all of this to happen, in order for us to fill those gaps, I did need to see price push up. So what happened? We ended up temporarily going bullish. The reason I say this is because we made a lower high, then eventually we break above it, higher high. Price is bullish. We're still bullish. Now we're bearish again. This is around the time I entered in. We were in a nice area. We're showing signs of bearish sentiment. So now what is price doing? We're bearish. We broke lows. We broke right underneath the EMA and we look pretty clean. Price stayed bearish. We kind of just respected this level until we kind of wanted to go bullish really quick. Now I can see us disrespecting this low level just as we disrespected this high level, because price now looks like it's ready to start pushing down. And as you can see, we're floating a little bit more. We was just like $700. Now we're at like 800, almost 900. Yeah, we've already been down this area before. We've already pushed this low. Now I want to see us break the low, and hopefully when we break it, we can go to my 1-to-1, because you already know I got this alert set, and as soon as we hit the 1-to-1, we are now in a risk-free trade, a risk-free investment. That means no mental obstacles or anything that you would normally have to deal with.